it would have been really easy for you, Sashel, to just like keep working at the dining service, right? And be like, whatever, like I can't get a break. I'm just gonna do this. Why would I even bother? So how did you
Mhm.
get like in the right mindset to like, you know what? I can do this. I am gonna go. Let's go.
It's something. I really think that when I shared my idea with my manager at that dining facility, they almost laughed at me. Right? They didn't
Yeah.
laugh out loud, but it was a smirk there that really sparked a fire in me to say, you know what? This place might be for you, but I see something different for myself, right? And I never forget the day that I told them that I was not coming back. It was, at the end of the school year, so it was going into the summer, and I told them that, I was going to start this business. And they didn't believe me. And I remember them calling me asking if I was coming back, and I was like, "Well, I told you I was going to start this business." But what it was it was them, that manager, kind of laughing at me in my face about
Mhm.
what I was trying to do and minimizing what it was. And then on the other side, it was the dry cleaner owner that I had met. He was encouraging me. He kept calling and
Yeah.
saying, "Hey, did you get a customer yet? Did anybody use it?" Because we had this bastardized website with a form on it. He's like, "Well, did anybody go to your website? Do you have any leads?" And he kept asking me and just drilling in me, where are the people? And I'm like, I don't have any people yet.
They're
But
coming, I
that made
promise. They're
me,
coming.
yeah,
Yeah.
that made me dig in and really get focused on actually, really doing this business and doing something to go and find that one customer.